Hello. This week, I would like to start out by asking you to join me in extending our appreciation and thanks to our relatives, friends, and neighbors who are on the front lines fighting the COVID-19 virus on our behalf. Our doctors, nurses, medical providers, mental health workers, our first responders, our staff in the Emergency Operations Center, our grocery store workers, our janitors, and other critical business employees. Thank you to the Puebloans who are contributing their time and resources to help others through this crisis. And thank you to all of the families for supporting your loved ones through this critically important work. I am in communication daily with our city and county leaders. Just yesterday, I joined other mayors in Colorado in a phone call with Governor Polis for an update from his office on the COVID-19 health and economic impact on our cities. The recently passed CARES Act will roll out soon, providing resources to the many unemployed, our small businesses, our transit system, and others. We continue to face unprecedented and worsening challenges as this outbreak spreads. Governor Polis's stay-at-home order is in effect until Saturday, April 11th, 2020, with consideration to extend it. Some Puebloans are doing their part in compliance with the stay-at-home order, while others are not. The photos you will see show the traffic in Pueblo yesterday at certain times of the day. The photo of I-25 and other intersections shows less traffic, as our citizens are modifying their normal schedules to drive only for critical work to the grocery store and other necessary travel. However, the two parking lot photographs show a significant number of citizens out shopping. These photos are a concern for me. I must remind you to practice social distancing while you are out at the grocery stores, the pharmacies, and out walking or exercising. Remember that social distancing has been identified by medical and health experts across the country as the single most effective way we can all contribute to stop the spread of this virus. Last night, the Pueblo County Department of Public Health and Environment released updated numbers. There are 28 positive COVID-19 cases in Pueblo. Last week at this time, we had 5 confirmed cases. We pray for the recovery of our community members who are fighting this deadly virus, and I send my sympathy to the families of the 2 individuals in Pueblo County who have lost their lives to the COVID-19 virus. Our Pueblo hospitals are currently in good shape. Their patient volumes are lower than normal because people are not seeking elective procedures. With that said, the hospitals are ramping up for a surge of patients that are surely coming in the coming weeks. Both hospitals are working to maximize their ventilators. We estimate that we have 80 to 90 ventilator devices available in our community at the present time. The hospitals are seeing more patients with symptoms and are taking care of more positive COVID-19 patients. Both hospitals report that they currently have enough personal protective equipment for their employees, but are expecting that to become more of a problem over time. The Pueblo County Emergency Operations Center is working with the hospitals to obtain additional supplies. The state of Colorado, through the Army Corps of Engineers, is looking at additional sites throughout the state to open step-down field hospitals to care for people who are less ill or who are leaving high acuity care hospitals but need additional rehabilitation or time to heal. Pueblo is on the list of possible sites. These hospitals would be available to support a surge throughout the state as well as in Pueblo. The health department has been working with the Pueblo Rescue Mission to develop a plan should they have clients who become ill. A community group has formed to think through and develop plans to serve the unsheltered homeless in the event that there is a positive COVID-19 case in that population. COVID-19 tests are still limited in Pueblo, as they are throughout the country. Hospitals are able to do the testing, but are only testing patients if they are admitted and have symptoms. Some additional tests have become available for our healthcare and first responders. We are continuing to communicate the priority need for more test kits in Pueblo. The longer we delay the spread of this virus in Pueblo, the more likely it is that we'll have more tests or treatments available. If you are not a critical or essential business, as outlined in the governor's stay-at-home order, you must close your doors. This is not optional. It is mandatory. It will be enforced. If you cheat, you're not getting away with anything. You are jeopardizing the life and safety of your employees and our entire community. If you are not complying with the governor's order, you are making things worse and are only increasing the damage this virus is doing to your business and to our economic system. You are risking your license to continue to do business in Pueblo. Remember, during this crisis, we come together as a community by staying apart. Our community symbol of unity continues through Sunday, April 12th, 2020. Each night at 8 p.m., go out your front yard and shine a light for 2 minutes. In a fight like this, there are not any good choices, only good decisions. Make good decisions for you and your family by staying home unless it is absolutely necessary to go out. Thank you for your courage, compassion, and decency.